Welcome back to Alienbase, your launchpad to the decentralized galaxy of trading opportunities. In this video, we'll explore one of the most powerful tools in the Alienbase arsenal, the dollar cost averaging or DCA feature. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting your journey, this feature can help you make smarter trades while minimizing market volatility risk. What is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging, often abbreviated as DCA, is a trading strategy that allows you to split your swap into multiple smaller buys or sells over time instead of executing your entire order at once. This approach is especially useful in volatile tokens where that price fluctuates rapidly. Dollar cost averaging reduces risk as it smooths out that market volatility by avoiding the all-in buys at potentially high prices. It automates the execution since you set your schedule and let Alienbase handle the timing of each order. And it gives you less emotional trading because it automatically removes the temptation to time the market, letting you stick to your plan. Whether you're accumulating a token over time or gradually exiting a position, dollar cost averaging gives you greater control over your trades. Now let's look at how we can set up a DCA order on the AlienbaseDEX. Navigate to the DCA page by clicking on Trade Now, and then select DCA at the top of the page. Next, you'll want to connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect button, choosing your wallet type, and selecting Connect in that wallet. Once your wallet is connected, you'll see a wallet icon at the top and your token balance populate in the middle of the screen. Select the token that you want to swap from and the token that you want to buy, both by using the drop-down icons. Enter the total amount of tokens you wish to allocate, and then we will define the number of orders and the interval at which we want those orders placed by selecting the time frame you wish to set the order for and set the frequency of each swap. Let's say I want to accumulate daily over a month. To do this, I will set the interval at 1 day and the frequency at 30. This setup will execute one order per day for 30 days. This is ideal if you want to slowly accumulate a token over the course of a month without watching the charts daily. Another example would be high-frequency micro-buys, where I set the interval at 15 minutes and the frequency at 96 orders. This setup will execute a trade every 15 minutes for 24 hours for a total of 96 orders. This can be useful for large swaps where you want maximum price smoothing during volatile, short-term movements. Finally, for a long-term investment strategy, I can set my interval at 1 month and the frequency at 12. Creating this setup will execute one order per month for 12 months and is perfect for long-term DCA into a project that you believe in. It mimics a traditional investment style approach without needing to complete the trades yourself. For our example, I'm going to create an order every 1 week and set it up for a frequency of 4 so that I smooth my buys over the next 4 weeks. Optionally, you can set a limit price to ensure your order is only placed between a specific minimum or maximum price range. To do so, select the toggle beside Set Limit Price and specify a minimum and maximum price range that you want the orders to be filled within, thus offering built-in price protection. Double-check your settings and select Create DCA Order. Confirm the order in your wallet, and Alienbase will now automatically execute your trades based on the schedule that you set. If you want to cancel any DCA order once it's started, you can do so by scrolling down on the screen, ensuring you're in the Active Orders panel, then select Cancel Order. This will automatically cancel any active DCA order that you have pending. The DCA option is extremely beneficial because once confirmed, the order is executed automatically on-chain, even if you disconnect your wallet, meaning that you don't need to stay online to execute your orders. Fees for the DCA feature include a platform fee of 0.1% for splitting your order and any gas fees incurred. Need help or have feedback? If you encounter any technical issues or have suggestions for improving Alienbase, then join the Alienbase Discord. The link will be provided in the description. Here, once you've passed the verification, head to the feedback channel, where you can start a new post and provide feedback on any of the features on the AlienbaseDEX. Alternatively, head to the ticket channel, where you can open a ticket and get direct assistance for any problems you may be encountering. With the DCA feature,